I can't believe I missed the launch. I didn't know what to expect, I guess.
Almost really high. Where's the rocket?
I don't know. It's floating down.
Dot.
It's straight above us. I think it's gonna fly behind us before it lands.
I'm getting it. I see it.
Can you? I can't see it.
Oh, here. It's that orange dot in the sky.
I don't think I have it in the camera.
I see it. There's it.
Do you see it, Elliot?
No, I don't.
You guys, don't chase it. We'll go get it after it lands. Oh, I don't see it.
It's right here.
Okay, keep an eye on it. I see it.